Hey guys, what should you be doing right now if you're thinking about buying a house, selling a house, or doing both? I'll go over that. I'll go over the market activity for the Twin Cities and what agents are doing to protect their clients and themselves when they're looking at houses. So real estate is labeled an essential service, and I think the reason why it's labeled an essential service is because there's a lot of other institutions that rely on real estate to keep moving. And for example, those are banking, those are mortgage companies, banking companies, industries, insurance companies. You know, real estate can't stop completely because otherwise those take a big hit and the economy takes a bigger dip than it's taking right now. What agents are doing and what I'm doing to make sure that you're safe when you're looking at houses is that there's no overlapping private showing. So you schedule a private showing. It's only you. In the past, you could actually overlap with other agents, and you guys might have experienced that already. There's virtual showings, tours. That's a good way to get started, but you should probably still go look at houses unless you're very savvy and very confident in what you want to buy. It's not like buying a pair of shoes on Amazon or Nike.com. I'm bringing gloves and wipes. You should too. Just take your precaution. We're also telling listing agents that are selling houses to make sure doorknobs, light switches are wiped off, and that there's no other person in the house or no other families in the house. Other things that you could be doing are making sure that you have contingencies and strategies for going out to buy a house or selling your house. Just make sure that you have right now about a 30 or 60-day outlook on things, and so I can write up a counter offer or an offer contingent to certain things that are going on in the market, the coronavirus. So now in regards to how the market is doing, we've had in the last 3 days, if I take my thermometer and check the market temperature, we've had 600, just over 600 new listings in the last 3 days. But there's also been 700 pending changes. In other words, there's been a lot of people getting houses under contract. That's what the pending means. So if you're going out to look at houses, right now is not a bad time because there's less buyers, less multiple offer situations. There are still some cases of that, believe it or not. So contrary to what you might think and what most people are thinking is that real estate is actually still moving along. So don't get left out in the cold if you're actually super serious about buying a house. So yeah, the housing market's still moving. Inventory's been low in the Twin Cities, so those are things that are irrelevant to COVID-19. Now, if you're looking to sell, make sure that you get specific information to your neighborhood and talk to me, talk to your agent, make sure that you know exactly what's going on and how to strategize. If you're looking to buy, make sure that you're financially stable. Again, if you're looking to buy, make sure that you are financially stable for the next 90 days. You have solid reserves because we don't know what's going to happen. And if you're trying to time the market, it's almost impossible. You can never time the market. If you buy high, if you sell high, you're also going to buy high. If you sell low, you're also going to buy low. So it's all relative. Don't wait to try to time the market. I think that my biggest advice or tip for anyone buying is, again, make sure that you have a financial stability for the next 90 days. Because again, we don't know what's going to happen. It could be 30 days and things bounce back. Now, just to recap, the numbers don't lie, and the rates are still low. Interest rates are low. Inventory is still available. There's definitely less buyers out there, so you should definitely take a look if you're super interested. Again, less competition for the buyers. Again, and real estate is relative and specific to each neighborhood, so make sure that you're taking all the precaution and making sure that you're getting informed before you go out there to look at a house and before you make an offer. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Don't hesitate. I'm here at your service. Take care.